The Bee Scene Show.
Hi, I'd love to present Cairngorms Nature because it's a wonderful and unspoiled region of Scotland, showing me and others the true glory of this magnificent area. Hi, we're in a field just by my house, and earlier this summer we were lucky enough to find a bee orchid. Hi again, I'm going to show you my protuberant lip. Protuberant is something that sticks out, just like my lip. And I'm introducing protuberant to you because it will allow me to show you a bee orchid, because a bee orchid also has a protuberant lip. Here is a bee orchid. This is the protuberant lip on a bee orchid, and because it's now late summer, it's making pods for next year. And that's a bee orchid.